how to block and unblock someone on TikTok. So if you want to block and unblock someone on TikTok, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your TikTok application. Once you open up your TikTok, now you just need to simply go with the bottom right, which has that profile option, and go with your followings or followers. Or if you want to search for the person manually, then you just need to simply go with search, which is on the top right, and search for the person. Now once you've searched, select the person, and if you want to block this person, then go with the top right, which has that share option, and tap on block, and tap on block again, and this person has been blocked, right? Now if you want to unblock this person, then if you are on the same page, you can have the unblock option, right? But if you've unfortunately like removed that, and if you've refreshed your page, now if you want to unblock that person, then go with the profile, which is on the bottom right, and go with the top right, which has that 3-bar icon. Tap on settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, you need to scroll down, and here you may have the block option, but with the new update, we don't have the block or unblocked option. So what you can do is simply go with the search again and search for the same person that you have searched previously. And once you tap on it, here you will have the unblock option, or you can go with the share again, which is on the top right, and then tap on unblock. That's it. That's how you can block or unblock someone on TikTok. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.